Okay, this is a little video about something called OwnCloud. It's basically your own Dropbox that you can have installed on your website, on your web server. And what it does is it allows you to have a place where you can share files with your customers and allow them to log into their own area, share things like maybe you have photos, you have documents, contracts, different things that you want to share with them. Maybe you also want to share with them design files such as CAD drawings, other things. This is, instead of giving them an FTP account where they have to figure out how to upload things and all of that stuff, this allows you to actually have like a mini kind of folder system online that will allow you to share those files and allow people to download things from you. And it's very easy how it works. So let me go ahead and show you how it works. Okay, so if you're familiar with Dropbox, what you would know is that you have a couple things here. Now this is on the Mac, so I'm going to go ahead and show you this. So I have like a shared folder here on the Mac, and then I have my Dreamcloud. This is actually connected to this server here I have at clouddreamsites.com. And so I'm going to go ahead and log in as the administrator here, and you'll see that I have access to everything here, and the folder is actually synced to my computer, my Mac, and then any other computers. That's the other thing that you can do, is that once you set up this little program, this little syncing program on your machine, whether it be Windows, Mac, Linux, or anything, you can actually install this app on the computer and on your phone, and you can have access to the files anywhere. All you'll need to do is just log in with your credentials, and you'll have access to these folders and files anywhere that you're connected to the internet. So for instance, on your phone, you can always share those files with somebody else via email or something like that. So let me go ahead and just show how this works. So you'll see here I have things kind of just starting to get set up here. Again, I'm logged in as the administrator here on this particular server. So you'll see that I have some things. So if I go here into clients, you'll see I just have a few folders. And then if I go in here into my PowerShop folder, you'll see that I just have this from client folder. Now I have a couple different options here. I can click on new, and I can create a folder. So let's just call it logo work, because I know I have to upload those anyway. So this is on the web, and I can go in here and I can go ahead and I can upload right from the web. Again, using any computer, I can just go to the website. You'd have a link to log into the computer, log into your cloud, and then you would log in, and then you would upload folders where you want them. That's if you're not working on your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and now go over to my customer's file here on my computer, and just so I can upload the correct thing here, and we'll just go in here, and I'll just go ahead and click on this particular file. You'll see it uploads. I could select multiple files if I wanted to. I only selected one there, and you'll see that the zip file is there, and as soon as I highlight it, I can download it again or whatever. If I want to go back to anywhere on the folder string, I can do that, and you'll see that what's happening now is I have this little like I said, this little program up here, and it actually will sync. It actually syncs. This is what you have your account files, your credentials in here, and it actually syncs your computer with the cloud. So now if I just go over here, and you'll see now under my cloud, which is right here, Dreamcloud, and you'll see now that the logos are right there. My folder is created. And okay, so let's say I don't want to go to the web. Let's say I'm on my computer. I can go ahead and drag those files. I'm just going to go ahead and bring my two windows open. So here I have this one here too. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag that over there. And in a moment, it's going to go ahead and sync that up with it's going to go ahead and sync that up with the cloud right from my computer. It doesn't instantly sync. You can, I believe you can set it up that way to do that whenever it changes, but I think every couple minutes it goes and checks for new files. Now, okay, so now again, this is just a basic video. That's the idea. So let's say now that you have your folders and files set up, now you want to share some stuff with your customers. You want to allow them to log in and see only their stuff. You don't want to have everything shared with everybody. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new account here. So I'm going to go ahead and into users. And I'm going to go ahead and create a new basically account for PowerShop. And I'm just going to put in and I'm going to go ahead and actually we'll go ahead and add a group here because I need to add a PowerShop group. Okay, and so that's done. So I'm going to go ahead and add this user PowerShop to this PowerShop group. Okay. Now what's cool here, you'll see here Tech Pros Today is actually part of Tech Pros Today group and resellers. What that does is allows you to instantly add different folders, or you can share multiple things automatically with them instead of dragging stuff around. You can say now if I go ahead and I've added them now, so if I go ahead and click here and I go back to files. Okay, you'll see my files are going to come up. And so here you'll see that I already shared this. That's a little shared thing here. And you'll see that it's shared with the resellers group. Okay, so that automatically would show up into the Tech Pros or anybody else that I assign to the resellers group. That folder would appear in their file. So I'm going to go ahead and share the PowerShop MSI thing here, and I'm going to just type in PowerShop, and it comes up. And I'm going to go ahead and I'll leave those on with the can share, can edit, so that way the customer can log in. All right, now I'm going to go ahead, now that I've shared that, I'm going to go ahead and log out. And I'll go ahead and log in this time as PowerShop. And you'll see now there's going to be a little pop-up thing that comes up the first time you log in. And what that's doing is allowing you, giving you access to the phone app that you would be able to put on your phone that allows you to connect to your files on your phone, and then also, or on the tablet, and then also your client on your computer. So you'll see here it automatically creates these folders here just in case you want to added those. But here again, I'm logged in as a customer now, PowerShop, and they instantly have access to their folder. Okay, so and that's basically it. And that's something called OwnCloud. Well, I've just rebranded it here with DreamCloud, and basically we can provide you with your own Dropbox at an inexpensive cost.